Whoa! Yeah, g'day mateys! WWE legend Bushwhacker Luke here. PEI, are you ready? Boy, the biggest cavalcade of superstars to ever come on your island. Yes, UCW's Summer Explosion 3 at the Evangeline Rec Center, Tuesday the 26th of June, just a matter of days. Bell time, 6:30 p.m. And this card is headed by Canadian's own WWE Hall of Famer, Bret the Hitman Hart. Third generation Mexican superstar will also be there, Chavo Guerrero Jr. Thank God Vicky's not there, couldn't put up with her voice. Plus, Macho Man Randy Savage's brother, the Genius, he'll be there too. And yours truly, I'll be doing a little licking and a lot of ass kicking. Plus, UCW's champion, JP Sims, Wildman Williams, Canyon, XXL, and the list goes on and on. Plus, you know that maniac, Maritime Menace, he'll put his nose into place. Hang on, wait a minute. Maritime's ever-loved, living legend, Leo Burke, he's going to be there too. He's going to be signing pictures and doing photo ops. So come on down to the Evangeline Rec Center, Tuesday, a matter of days, you know, for the greatest show ever to hit the island. Be there, because this is going to be a bloody slobber knocker. See you then. Whoa!